This is our live broadcast, and please, if you're joining me, don't forget to like the video. We are going to start without wasting much of time. So I am here to react on a video that most of you have seen, of course. I believe that most of you have seen the video, the breaking news of this evening or this afternoon, depending on where you are watching from. So we are not going to waste much time on that. It is very clear to us now that in Nigeria, there's a new political party that has been formed, very, very new political party. And some of you knows the people that formed the political party. But before we start properly, I want us to remember this. You know, few months ago, Ike Guruago said that I don't normally like to call names, but permit me to call names here. And this program is not about, I'm not attacking anybody. I just want us, it's funny to be honest. Don't mind me if I'm laughing. Oh God. Nah, mother fushi na ya no wa Jesus. Who be even man na. But who am I? Who am I? My brother. Oh, I see you. So you God. Oh my God. I don't know that. I'm not. I don't. In fact, I don't have a mind to come here to laugh. God, my goodness. Anyway, let's start properly. It is funny to be honest with you. After all this noise, after all this propaganda, Ike Guruago said that he's tired, that he have this ambition, that he have this plan to become a politician, that he want to be a politician. That this is his ambition all this while. And he's one of the top member in the US. Firstborn, I see you. Of course, I see. The name you mentioned is the name of the party. That is ipob. Because people be fucked up, so they want to show people how to do it. Now, let me start. Ike Guruago said that he have political ambition, and he happened to be one of the top member in the US. That's what they told us. And these are people that knows the plans of Madam Rakan. In fact, they know Madam Rakan more than Madam Rakan know himself. Madam Rakan said that people are trying to convert, to change IPB to become political group and a political party, and he resisted them, and at the end they gave him a way for him to be kidnapped through somebody that happened to be very close to Master American, which all of you know. I don't expect to start mentioning all the names. I know why I'm not eager to call names, but I will say something that will make you yourself will know. Maybe you will be reading comment section. If you just be reading comment, people will also mention the names. So they sold him out just to achieve one particular goal. And for you to understand that this has been the agenda from the get-go. When Ikenga said that he have political ambition, none of them reacted, just to get angry at all. They feel okay. That it is because they are also in the same, they have the same mind, they share the same idea. And this is to tell you that Ikenga said what he said. He was not alone. And ever since he said that, we have not seen Ikenga join any existing party. Meaning they have been waiting for a time like this. And the time has come, they are now coming out from their shield. Coming out to tell you what they felt that they know. Before the announcement, this breaking news, if you check few weeks down, the attack on X, they intensify the attack. All of them, everybody have something to say. People want to swallow PM. They want to, but I will show some clips on this live stream. But please do me a favor, click on the like button, like the video. I know some of you find it hard to like video. I don't know why. Maybe the button is so heavy to press, but please and please press it so that people will get to see this video. Because some of our brothers, some innocent, let me use the word, some innocent people, innocent Biafrans, lovers of freedom, some of them are contemplating. Because when you see, because only somebody, some of us people that start paying attention to Biafran movement of late, they really want to fall to this kind of propaganda they are circulating on social media. Anybody that have followed the movement for some time now, there's no way you will fall off. Unless if you have political ambition like them, then you, of course, you join the party. And they have shared, let me tell you, first of all, they shared every post, like media position on media, like people that will be special advisor in the government, inner caucus, people that will executive members, people that will a kind of that will be posting news or commenting and all that. People that they recruited me a lot on your media team, simply because they want to use that to build themselves up. Do you understand? And if no matter how good you are on media, there's no chance for you to get to any post anymore in their camp, because they have actually shared all the position. So this political party they want has been there. They did not start it just now. It's not something. And guess what? Masna Mkano's wife, some say ex-wife, okay, is part and parcel of this political party. And her mentor is the Bianca. She wants to live like Bianca. She wants to be like Bianca. People don't understand it, because I have gone through some of her posts. Anybody that is part and parcel of Nigerian government or anything from Southeast, she followed them. All the governors, she's following them. And she's tagging them in some of her posts. When she said that that Nigerian government will hold PM, we see for that. That statement goes in line with what is going on now. And since the announcement of this new political party they formed, all these people that are attacking PM on social media, they are still carrying the attack. All of them are writing, okay, let us go and debunk that this is a lie. They are sharing it. And guess what? Nigerian media, I have it, they are sharing it as well. This is to tell you that it's not just a plan of yesterday. There's a picture that they shared about Masan Namolikano with one of the so-called, is he a senator or a House of Representative member from somewhere in other states. The picture I'm talking about is this very man. You see this picture here? Now, I'm not saying that I verified anything. I'm not saying that it's a Photoshop or not, because I don't know. And PM like that, the reaction from PM is different from is not in line in what some people are saying that is or not. I did not see PM saying that it's fake, but there's a question that I have, that I've asked myself, but I don't have answer to that. And that question is this: the picture here. How many of you saw this? There's a video that PM, well, not PM, one of the journalists asked him, "Why are you wearing this one cloth every time to court?" He said that this is not this is the one that allowed him to wear, like meaning that they have not allowed him to change clothes. Because I have asked myself this question: why is it that Mazakan is coming to his court case with one particular cloth. But when some people claim they visit Mazagana, the picture that will bring out will be a different attire. When Soludo went to see him, he came out with a Atletico Madrid attire, like Jesse from Atletico Madrid football club. Now he's here again with Adidas. So why is it that he's not wearing this kind of clothes to his court case? Why must he wear white up and down, the same clothes that they allow him to wear in his first court case? I didn't need I need an answer to this, because I don't know if he's doing it. Maybe this is his choice, or is there any hidden meaning to that or something like that? Because if not, why is it that he's wearing a different clothes here, and each time he's going to court, we can only see him in one clothes? I don't know. Yeah, this one is. I need someone to throw more light on that. Now, let's go to right up of Uchechi here. She said, now they understand Masnam Kano must be free. The Nigerian government childish behavior makes mockery of them, showcasing their ineptitude and characteristic system of government. The problem is that Nigerian government, just like an average Nigerian, is unconscious. They are, let me explain this. Sometimes when you are reading this lady's message, you will you can only try to understand some of the things that she's saying, because the way she uses her own vocabulary sometimes is not in line with it will not flow well. I don't know why, but she wants everyone to see that she's very, very good at English. Chris M is here. Good evening. Nice to have you. Only 3 people have made a comment so far. Am I missing some of you? Am I missing something? Just hold on, because I don't know why my account is frozen. What is going on? My is okay. So Dana is here. Diana is here. Why is it that when Nigerian politicians claim they want to see Mazmukan, he's putting on another cloth? That's my question. I need somebody to throw more light on that. People that claim they know, Oyendu said, please come and tell us this one, because we also need clarity on that. Not when it has to do with it at home. All of you visit Oyendu overnight. With 5 minutes, you will see somebody from Kafanchan reporting immediately from DSS in Abuja. Why is it that you cannot tell us this clothes that Mazakane is changing every time that most of you claim that you visit him? Why is it that he's not wearing the same clothes to court? For 4 years now, he has been wearing one clothes. Going to 4 years. I don't want to lie. Why is it that he is not changing it? But each time they go to visit him, we see, maybe if one day now you hear that the Peter Ba of a governor of Enugu State visit Masan and the only thing that they will discuss is about sit at home, and they will come out to tell you that Simon Ekpa is not, he don't know him, he's not, and maybe Masan will be wearing something like Accra traditional wear with a red cap, enjoying life, right? I don't understand. Only Mas Namadu Kano's lawyer, none of the lawyers share the picture. Only people from one camp that just announced their new brand company called Political Party. And this agitator also. She can speak good English, isn't it? She can write all manner of long piece of notes, and with a very good grammar in her own ideal. I don't know, maybe some of you like it. I don't like, but I don't like it. But she cannot, she's behaving as if she don't understand difference between an agitator and political party, because she's citing that everything is about money. I don't know why maybe I think she blocked me or what. Did she block me? Let me refresh. Why is it that all of a sudden her account, the writer refused to open? Is she watching this program? I don't. She will not even block me because she don't know the account that I'm using. She can't block me. I don't have my official. I don't have any Twitter account with this guy report name. No, I don't have it. I have just one account. I may follow you. You not even know that I'm the one following you. So there's no point. Okay, the message is up again. Let me see if I can see more because the option is see more. So that okay, I think the write up is done. She just mentioned. He said kudos to Honorable Obi Aguocha for his visitation. The person that's sending this message is the one that not Uchechi. Okay, Uchechi actually share somebody's post. She's not the one that made the picture. She just shared it. Okay, they're all the same. This one is Machuku Okonkwo. Machuku Okonkwo is the one that shared the picture. He said dying Master Meccano's legal team, denying Master Meccano's legal team, access to visit him is part of their game to demoralize Master Meccano. Withdrawal of Ben Tanyako from Master Meccano case is a blow to their game plan. And they don't want to acknowledge the fact that the legal team of Master Meccano currently are doing more reasonable work than the former one. I'm not here to compare the two. That's not my plan here. What I'm trying to say is that a lot is going on that we need more clarity. The senator himself that visited Oyendu, none of Master Meccano's lawyer shared his picture that he visited Oyendu. And the visitation of Oyendu that only DOS can share is a suspect to me. I don't believe that. Now, let's go back to the issue why we are here. Okay? The news that we have today from office of the Prime Minister is that there's a new political party in Nigeria that people that form that party have not come out and say, no, it's a propaganda. We did not form anything like that. Even Nigerian news also have reacted on that. Of course, some of you have seen those clips. But my take is, my concern on all this is, why are they still talking about Biafra? Just to drag more of you, some of you, not more, just for some of you, because only few will do that, to join them in formation of their political party. Now, my advice to them is this: is see an Igbo land, your Biafra land, for example, APC will be more loved than such party. So anybody that gave them this idea of DOS forming a political party in Nigeria, that person don't like you at all. Or that person don't like you at all. Now, it is not getting clear why Prince Darlington, this guy here, joined Nigerian police. Because the news have it that he himself is now member of Nigerian police. That's what they call them, police force. And for you to understand, because this is not me saying that, listen to the video, because I know can man have listen to matter what 1 year. They went.
wee kwụsị anyị na moto wee fụ akpa maka onye ọbụla fụrụ akpa ga-ama na ọ na mgbago a ka esi eji wee jide ụda wee si mmepe akpa ife dị na akpa ahụ m ji akwụkwọ ike m na akwụkwọ ndị be anyị maka m na-eyuzu ụzọ akwụkwọ na akpa wee bịa ka ọ manye aka na akpa m wee sị ya na onwere ikike ịmanye aka na akpa na ọ bụ na o nwere afọ iwu dị ebe ahụ na o nwere ike, mana nke a na o nwere afọ iwu na ọnwa ife ọ chọrọ ka m mepee ya ka nye akwụ ya ka m nọ na-enene nwoke. Ma enyi m nwoke mụ na ya so si Enugu, nyanwa na onwe ya maka moto bụ tinten, nyanwa na onwe ya ọ sị m na nyanwa na-ene anyị na-enene I can't believe it. ọ bụ na ụzọ ji ife ịma etu ọnụ ya si ama mmanụ onye ama ibe ịghọtaga ogo niile ọ na-aghọtọ n'ịlachi ka oke mmanya ka ọ na-aga mụnwa mara wetere nga ọ na-agba n'isi aka silver ring na-enene ụdị akwa ndị uwe ojii nsị hai ndị awụcha onye si na ọha awụchi sekuriti na dịka no wonder ego atami ikunis. No wonder if you assume Akaba. So, August I was saying, no motor little. So, only see however, we say Amba because Eba now what they call 5 minutes or you buy a crow or Uru deliver from after that or deliver. Ibanyoka. Then Abato you want me to make a man. Also, this in the Agano, Nandi Canapata. Who's only Yapandu would you? But what I do, I know one year to one mother. Oh, we talk a man safe nanny. As you know, on the or don't go man. Go one day woman that who's in the one and I had the home. What was all you was hospitality? I was on my put. I was on your put. No, so the idea is different. I'm Nandi in the Fandala.
Okay, somebody said something here. That is our sister Ngozi said he want to wear Isiago but caught, and Nigerian government refused that he will not wear it. That this is why he comes to court with that one dress. So are you saying that he's wearing that one dress in a kind of protesting against the refusal of the Nigerian government not not allow him to wear what he wants? I don't know. Maybe you are right, but I'm not sure. Whatever, you understand, that's not an issue. The only thing I want to understand is that if they refuse him, they don't want him to wear Isiago to court. Because that news, I know when they say something like that, that that the judge will feel intimidated or something like that because of the clothes. I don't know why, but maybe you are right, but I'm not sure. Now, to clear your doubts on this new political party formed by these people, hear what this lady said here. And before then, PM said, the IPOB Nigerian criminals are. Let me
Meanwhile, some members of the indigenous
people. Click it unknowingly. Okay. The IPOB Nigerian criminals are finally home. They have lost it all. They cannot take it anymore. Before the announcement of the political party, this is a post from Benjamin Madapogo, where he called Biafrans to join. Look at it, because you don't form political party alone. This one is not about take oath to take oath. These are people that took oath for them to give you Biafra. Biafrans, there is an urgent need for unity of purpose among all the genuine Biafran agitator group, and the time is now. So this is when they were preparing for that. So they can't wait, like PM said. Remember, the Biafran convention is around the corner, and all of them are on social media now, doing what they know how to do best, propaganda. But like I always say, anybody that is not sensible enough cannot do a very good propaganda, because you end up exposing yourself. Oh, what I can where I got to ask Nama, or for to ask the mana what I get in now well na-amala ife ọfụma, ọ ka ha na outside pụta, a ga-amakwa secret ma onu okwu, because oge agwa ị ga-akwu okwu na-amasị nwatakịrị, ịpụ na outside nwata na-ama ife ga-aga na-ememe ike ife ọsọ ịgwa ya ga-akwu okwu ahụ, then ndị nọzi na-ama matazie ka eziri ozi ọbịa ka ozi ya na outside. What I'm saying is that people don't understand that if you want to do propaganda, there are some things you need to prepare for that. And I have been following PM for a very long time. For some of the propaganda they're doing now, after the one they did with Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, the another one is that that PM said that Sowore will kill Tinubu. Unimaginable things will be coming out from these people. And something they don't know is that every real person that have been following PM all this while, you will know that PM don't delete any post. I have not seen any post that PM made then he later delete it. Go and check. If you are following him, please comment here and tell me that what I'm saying is a lie. Mention one post, genuinely, I'm not talking about the propaganda. Mention one post that PM have made and later come back to delete it. Triple M. Where Where have you been? I've been asking about you every now and then. Where have you been? Because I lost my number on WhatsApp. Where have you been, my brother? I hope everything is all right with you. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Because I was like, wow, well, I can't see any of your brake lights. Nice to have you. Welcome back. Welcome back. So if you know PM have never ever delete any post. And before he posts anything, he always sleep over it. He's not someone that just let me type now, let me type now, let me type. After typing, sorry, I'm sorry for saying this. And that is what makes me a man. You don't go back to your word easily. So he don't react with emotion. He always think about. You can't read his post. If you are reading his post, anywhere, anyone that is you perceive anger, that thing deserves to be angry with. I mean, that anger is merit to be that is merit to be angry. You don't know. He don't come out and talk because he want to talk. That is because they don't follow him. That's why they will just take only his profile picture and do editing Photoshop. If you want to do those things, no, it's not that we are done deal. We know how to do it too, but we are not the same. This is not why people want to. This is not how to gain trust of any general people. Only anybody that will follow that kind of that kind of editing and this nonsense league that they are playing are just those that want to. I mean, that just like them. That is why they cannot win anybody with propaganda. That's why they hardly win any argument because they always want to expose themselves. If you want people to trust you genuinely, you have to come out clean. You don't just hide, command and when they are shouting command and control, structure. Oh, I don't blame them because it is not clear. You cannot build political party without structure, without this command and control. You can't build political party. So the agenda they have is different from what Biafrans actually want. So that's all I can say about it. You can hear that. Let me play it again so that you hear from the lady, for those some of you that just joined, that I listen.
Meanwhile, some members of the indigenous people of Biafra on Friday.
Say some member. Okay, this Friday they're talking about is this past Friday. Okay, 25th. So today is a Monday, right? So this past Friday, they decided to I only have too much. I put and why they are rushing on all those things now because of Finland Convention, because of referendum that is going on, because of Biafran redeclaration on December. These are the problems that all of them, they want to do something. And to prove to you that they had a meeting to be doing what they're doing now, I will bring you a video of one of them. You hear what the person says. But before then, let us play this to the end. Please, if you are just joining us, click on the like button. Thank you so much for your time. And let us listen to this. Because the breaking news is that there's a new political party in Nigeria. And the people that form the political party, your guess is as good as mine, because some of you actually know have seen the news. So we are here to explain it more, to talk more about it. It's not a rumor, it is real.
Agitation through a political process, according to details made available to Daily Independent.
Now listen, this Daily Independent are talking about the Nigerian.
Meanwhile, some members of the indigenous people of Biafra on Friday agitation through a political process, according to details made available to Daily Independent via a press release. The group said that moves are ongoing to form a political wing designed to bring the right balance in the fight for the well-being of Indigo. The new political wing consists of prominent members of the organization who are exploring opportunities to end the marginalization of Indigo through political involvement. The leadership of the group, in a statement signed by its spokesperson, Mazi Wachuku, noted that the reason...
Did you notice something? Because they don't know how people will react on this, they, cleverly, they removed the name Powerful and put Mazi Wachuku. But guess what? they attach the name of IPOB to that. And like I said, if they actually have different opinion or different agenda, they would have said something or reacted on when Ikenga said that he had political agenda, that he had political mission. This is his aim. I'm not against them forming political party. You see, everyone have right to do what they want. I'm not against them. If you want to join Boko Haram, I'm not against you. But where I have issue with them is that they abandon what they want and focus on what another people want to drag them down. I mean, you want political party in Nigeria. Nigeria is already there. You have more future there as a politician. You just go there. If you want to form 7 political party as an Igbo man, you can do it. You have make sure that you register the party like other people do. And the senator that they claim that visited Namadakan, he is the part of the political party, of course. These are people that have future. They are seeing their future. You understand? So, and I'm not against you see your future. If you see your future in Zambisa, you just wake up and you feel that for you to have very good education, good environment, everything, standard. You want your life to be okay. You want to enjoy life like people in Europe, and this is your own conclusion. You felt that for you to have those things, you have to pack your property and start living with a bandit in Zambesa or in the far north. You go there, no problem. But you cannot just say IPOB one family. Why we are whiter and whiter and whiter than snow. We are white and white. after this white and whiter than snow, your primary job is to form a political party, and that political party that you formed is not something that people are proud of. Do you understand? If our problem is political party, remember Ojukwu formed APOGA. Right? Ojukwu formed APOGA. What is the fate of APOGA? If I thought that political party is what you think that is good, why don't you all move to APOGA? At least, see, maybe they're not getting it right. What do you think you will do, you will get right in the form of political party that APOGA have not tried to achieve? After they baptized Wazurike, he joined APOGA, of course. What is the fate now? Zik formed, AC, what is the name of this party that the Zik formed during his own time? What is the fate of that party now? What become of the party after all this? So it's not about forming a party. A sensible child will learn from the mistake of his father. ACNC, God bless you, Triple L. God bless you. ACNC. What is the fate of the party? APOGA is there. It's not even dead. What is the fate of why? You see, P2B could not get what do they call it? Win, his primary from his party to run for president in PDP. They forced him out, and he quickly ran to UK and renewed his hope with the Labour Party. Right? If Igbo man forming party is we give you good Nigeria and everything, I claim, I just want to, for a moment, let us start like one Nigerianist. If political party is the problem of Igbo people, because according to that press release here, they want to use that to stop marginalization in that land. Now they want to use that to stop marginalization. But the truth of the matter is that Ojukwu and P2B tried those things. Then ask yourself, why is it that P2B did not go to APOGA to pick flag to contest for president? As long as it's Igbo party, you will not even win. You see Kogi State, you can't win Kogi State. As closer as Kogi State is, you see Benin, you can't. Ojukwu fell. He could not even win his own state when he contested for president. He couldn't. He did not even do well. Ojukwu of all people, using Apoga. How many Northerners are in Apoga as a politician? How many Yoruba man is in Apoga as a politician? So this is to tell you that in Nigeria, the structure and the belief of everybody is Igbophobia. Some say Igbophobia, some say that, disadvantage as an Igbo person you have for this guy because your grandfather or your father fought war, and fought for Biafra. So to have Biafra to separate themselves from Nigeria and all that. The anger, they have changed the anger from war, dividends of war and all that to ethnic issue. So it's not about all these things. They know all those things too. You see, they are aware of this thing. But let me tell you, they are claiming to form political party just to stop you talking about Biafra. It's not about to achieve anything. They know. They don't. The intention is not to achieve anything. They will do this thing to shift your mind away. Then once they shift your mind away, that party will just fall down. And those that brought them out will start picking them one by one to plant them to different position in politics, like the one that would like what I did to Bianca now. You can only be good in ministerial position. Once you want to contest for governorship, senator, you're not going to get it. If Bianca want to contest for House of Reps today, she's not going to win anything. Even if you some people vote Igbos, their constituency vote for her, she will end up losing from that post. They will use court, go to court, and court of appeal and all this thing will kick her out because you are not meant to be there as an Igbo person. Anyway, that's all I can say about the nonsense they're doing. Let's move to another thing because there's something I want to share with you. Now, Kano shared made a post where he talked about court case, because some of us are not aware that these people that form political party have actually sue Kano in Germany for it has something like it has to do with money. I don't know the details. I don't care to know. But I just saw the post this evening. I said, let me go through it. And in the people from the US also have shared the video of them after their court case with Kano. These are people that are maintaining Master Kano structure, but they're suing Master Kano's siblings in the court. This to tell you that the intention is about money to form this political party very, very well, using the flag. And they are whiter and whiter than snow. And you hear them. Simon Ekpa, Midgate, Dwarf, one room agitator, name it Ekperima. This is the coordinator. Because when if you hear them, you think that these people don't have all of them are giants. This is the coordinator in Germany, right? This is their coordinator in Germany. This very man here. So these are them talking about what happened in the court today, how they do Kano and Madam Neneyaya. This, if you listen to this video, if I allow it to come out to play now, you hear that, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, it doesn't want it. Ojukwu was rubbish in his local government. Talk more of state. Can you imagine? Then Boma, I see you. Obioma, not Boma. Obioma, Odo, I see you. Victor said marginalization against the Igbos remains as far as Nigeria is concerned. No matter what political parties they form, the solution is Biafra. My dear. So we don't need to, like I said, I'm not going to play this nonsense. I'm not here for that. I just want to tell you that within themselves, they are fighting each other. Reason because this is what they're known for. Now, the main issue is this one. Now listen, because we actually we are almost there. Now this guy, people are criticizing them heavily. Why are you not? Why are you not using your, at least you try and put your read your comment, put your time, just pay attention to the comment that you are receiving on some of the videos and posts that you are making. Now, I will play this threat. I'm not going to talk. I want to know how many of you that will observe something. Please tell me what you observe in this video. Let's go there. Let me see.
Yes, wonderful blog, lovers of freedom. It's me, man. I just have this message, especially for this Twitter.
I will take it back a bit.
I'm here for the.
Please, can you hear what he's saying? If the voice is loud enough, you let me know. Otherwise, I flip the camera back so that you can hear him properly. Because I want to know how many of you will pick. There's something he said here that I want to know how many of you that will be able to pick it.
Yes, wonderful blog, lovers of freedom. It's me, man. I want to make it. I just have this message, especially for this Twitter, which is known as X. I'm here for the dwarf followers. So I want each post.
In dwarf followers, you think that this guy is talking now is like Big Show, like The Rock, very giant, very huge, like Uchechi called PM Miget. If you check her size, now I don't want to, but if I want to do banter like me now, I am black. My skin, you can see that I'm not fair. Okay, I'm a black person. I cannot use black to insult anybody because that's who I am. I don't know if you are getting what I'm trying to say. I cannot use something that I mean, this is me. This is what I am known for. I will use the same thing to attack another person. When they're saying even imagine a Benjamin Bedebugo calling PM do. Also gonna about dwarf. That thing in Finland. If you see them, I don't know. These are, I mean, Igbo people we need to check. Our women need to do better because to me, our women are not doing well. They are bringing a lot of this blood. So bad. Now listen.
I make at least.
Sorry, I said that I'm not going to interrupt. Let me start from the beginning. Sorry.
Yes, wonderful blog, lovers of freedom. It's me, man. I just have specifically for this Twitter, which is known as X. I'm here for the dwarf followers, the criminal in Finland. So I want each post I make, at least, I must have not less than 50 reactions. The negative one, at least. People don't know how we were prepared. We know that the gullible people are in their numbers. And you people should stop thinking that if you comment, that they will get me, I will be annoyed. I'm not like that. Ask those who know me from Facebook down to TikTok. I smile every time. I smile over issues, especially when things are so stupid. So, don't bother. I'm here to stay. They say I should come here to fertilize this place. I'm here to wake those who were deceived. I'm not here because of you. Because some of you are just agents of destruction, especially to make sure that Southeast become in disarray. Not because of you. Not because of you that I hate the leader of the Indian people of Biafra. Because of you that I hate the Biafran movement. Not because of you that your brain is smelling. I'm here for those that are genuinely fighting for the freedom of our people, but they were deceived because of the level of their thinking. That's what we're here. So I'm here to stay. Your comment is not one-man squad is what I am. I just want you to have it in your mind so that when you are commenting, don't think that some will comment and say, go and check the comment section and see what people are talking to know whether you are right. Fools are always in their numbers. Don't bother to know whether I mean business. I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. Did you notice something? How many of you, can you tell me what you understand from what this guy said? Is there anybody that have anything to say on comments? Please put it on comments and I don't mind reading it out. But before, while waiting for you, let me say something. ECPA is the road to Biafra. Yes, that's number one. But that's not what I want you to understand. You know, I told us at the beginning of this video that they pushed a lot of them to go to Twitter. Leave Facebook, go to Twitter. These people they have a lot to do on Twitter. Go to and Twitter. If you know how Twitter works, if you don't pay money, you don't post long piece of work. Like you don't write, your write-up will be limited. You can't post something. You can't post even video, lengthy video and all that. And it depends on how many people that they want your video to get to. You have to pay for that, of course. You understand? So it's all about payment. When you hear this guy, he says something here that I was told to come and fertilize this place. Now, let me take it back. I was told to come and fertilize this place. Like I said, if you want to do propaganda, you need to get your brain. You need to upgrade. You need to have some. You don't do propaganda. You get check. You looking at something before to ask the guy case. You game member this. Game me somebody with brain or my old brain. Am I any more first away? But if you don't have the brain and time, none of them can convince anything. Anybody that is sensible, you can't follow them. Like me, I'm not a member of the Biafran cabinet. I'm not a member of the Biafran media team, Biafran government media team. I'm not a member. I'm just a Biafran reacting on issue about Biafra. And I trust what PM is doing and I follow him closely. Why? Because I can see that he's not, all this claim they're doing, saying all those things to push your mind away, lying to people. Ask yourself, why is that if anything happened in Biafran land today, the first people that will contact is PM? Why are Biafrans not calling Chike? Why are they not calling all of these people? They know all those things, but they ignore it. And he said something here that fools are always, big in their number. A kind of anything that this is to justify, to please himself, that look, we are getting it there because it doesn't matter if people follow us or not. The same group of people, they were the ones celebrating how IPOB is all over the world. Once they march out, they have 1 million people marching out. Once they protest, you can see crowd. People are everywhere. Today, those things, they're not moved from that. That is now, if you see when people are much like that, it means that they are all fools. They are sensible people are always, small in their number. So now having small people that believe what you're preaching is now the best way to go. So the sensible people are always less. The foolish people are always big in their number. Then you see the game. you Chechi, one of her posts celebrating how the guy that killed called Ikechukwu Onoha, okay, that he is the one that mobilized this multitude of people in Aba alone. This IPOB in Aba alone. So they are celebrating the multitude of people, the huge number that turn out to march out to that rally that they had when Mazakano was going around in Biafra land. So each time Mazakano come out, Biafrans will come out in huge number, right? Going in different places with him, singing holy, 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 that kind of thing. Then it is a sign that Biafrans, sensible people are following them. Now that Biafrans are now separating Paul from Barnabas, the smaller number, because it's not the best way to go. You yourself you sometimes ask yourself some questions. You understand it. Now, let me take it back again. So you hear where he said that they told him to come and fertilize this place. When you hear fertilize this place is come and make this noise here. So he's now on X posting and reacting. And I want to use this opportunity to I encourage every genuine, sensible Biafrans. When you see, stop going to their comment to comment. You actually giving them more money, supporting them without knowing. Like me, I don't like, I don't share. You know, if I share, I will share it on my wall, so that after my broadcast, I will go and remove it. So that because you cannot like what you hate. You can't like what you hate. So, and you don't think that you are bashing them on comment section is a way to go. To me, I don't imagine if they make this propaganda and this nonsense post, you just read and go. No comment, no engagement. There's many ways to punish people. You just read it and go. And when you read one, two, like me, someone like Eren or Mockery, I muted him. Whatever he posts, and I cannot get any notification. Imagine if all of you that are going to, the reason why Eren or Mockery is still talking today is because once he talk, you guys will come. And the owner of the platform will think that he's making more sense. They will keep on pushing his video. He'll be getting more followers. Those negative things also count. You follow them to know each time he comment doesn't carry any water. Ignore him. He will post and read it and manage it to himself and go. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying, because Twitter don't have thumbs down. If it's like YouTube, that you can thumb the video down. Once you are thumbing down, the algorithm will be going. The video will not get the reach of that video will not go anywhere. It will be limited. So I'm not saying you should report any page. I'm not here to support anybody reporting, because I believe in free speech. Like, say what you your mind. What I'm saying is this engagement that you guys are always trying to go there and I reply here. You don't need to do that. Once they see, because there are not many. If he posts a video, they can't get 20 engagement on their own. They can't. All the engagement that you see there is Biafrans going there to talk. The more we are talking, the algorithm will think that, oh, people are watching this brother. Let us push the video more. So that's my advice to you. And let me play it again, like I said, before we round up this live stream.
Wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom. It is me, Methuselah, and one name Melchizedek. I just have this message specifically for this Twitter, which is known as X. I'm here for the dwarf followers, the criminal in Finland. So I want each post I make, at least, I must have not less than 50 reactions. The negative one, at least. You don't know how we were prepared. We know that the gullible.
Since let me say something. Since 2022, you people don't know how we prepared. 2023, you people don't know how. When are we going to know how you prepared? Say 70 years. Imagine how you prepared. The day we will march, the zoo we know that men have come. The zoo we know that men there. The question is, when are you going to march? Don't worry, we are going to march. The day we Biafrans come out, you guys don't know what we are doing. We think, you think that everything we do, we should come out in public and tell you. That's not how we work. Men are working on the ground. Things are going on. 1 year, things are going on. 2 years, men are working on ground. 3 years, the day we march out. Then the person that posting all those will turn as I say, I don't know if the problem is English language or Igbo language. You don't even understand the meaning of Ekperima. Ekperima is someone that steals something from you. Someone that can rob anything. The only thing that PMS stop from you is he stop monthly dues. If PM organized fundraising today and made a post, please, the DOS should give me the account so that whenever Biafra contribute money, we send it to you, because you guys are the one have the structure up there, so that our own is to raise money for you guys to move this struggle forward. You see, there are brother Mazi Simon and they, my brother in Agban. I'm telling you, he will not have anything to do with Tinubu, nothing to do with everything will be perfect. Why some of us are talking is because you guys are using our ancestral land to do this your nonsense, because we are different. We don't have any. If you allow you to keep on doing what you are doing, it will see get to us. When they buy this guy, they said the different land DOS coordinator. Okay, because we need to say it the way it is. I'm not in support of killing anybody. It's a very, very sad story. Even though I was told that the man also is responsible for the buying of other people. I don't know. I'm not part of it. I don't have any. I'm not in support of killing or any whatsoever. Okay, but what I'm saying is that I don't know who bought the person. According to that on report, they say it's Nigerian politician, Nigerian police force. Now, if you have noticed something, after the killing of that man, DOS don't have any plan, no revenge, no question, no move, no thing to bring the person that killed this man to justice. Nothing whatsoever. But when Biafrans are being paid, okay, knowingly and unknowingly, they are being paid, Biafran Prime Minister always have something to say about it, and action will follow it. But if you are following these people that are forming political party today, once your life go in for them, nobody will remember you anymore. That person will just your own Ibana history. And the Kuzoku Biafrans that have gone in this movement. Your name appear. But if you follow or listen to PM, or even if you don't follow anybody, you are on your own. No, you have noticed that the Ogene, this Ogene legend that the police just killed in Enugu State today, his death got more attention home and abroad than the person that they said is DOS Homeland Coordinator being assassinated. He shed his blood. I don't know if he shed the other blood of other people or not, but nothing, no plan to question police, nothing. But this is a homeland. If a coordinator can go quietly like this, imagine what you that is on commission will be. your own will be like a chicken. Because the other guy, there's a guy that killed also in Enugu State. I saw the post, of course. That video trend, PM said something about the guy that Enugu State will hear. I don't know why PM, later kept quiet about it. Probably, maybe the guy is one of the DOS members. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is that if anything happened to you, and you always, I call you on social media, I call you, because even what I'm saying, they know that what I'm saying is truth. I'm not saying that you should burn or kill anybody. My own is that why must we allow liars to lead us? Why? It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm not saying you should kill anybody. I'm not saying you should go after anybody. That is a decision that will be. It has to do with government, not me. I'm not a part of government. So the government, that is their job, not me. So don't expect me to start telling you, oh, now you got get bundika, now you got get bank. We have government. Wait until I become the Prime Minister. You understand? Then if I say, you say that it's from government. Because if I start talking, that's what they're doing opposite of what PM is doing or Biafrans are doing. You see somebody like, I don't want to mention him, but you just pay attention to that's what I'm saying. You see some of them on social media, they will be talking as if they're chicken, to say, like what chicken is supposed to be saying on their behalf. They will be the one saying it. So this one will say that we need to move to that decision, take the fight to government. The other person will say, no, we don't need to take fight to them so that they will not call us terrorists. The other one will say, allow a man to do his thing. Let us mind our thing. The other one will say, I want to be politics, so we need to respect our politicians. The other one will say, no, politicians are the ones that we are going through. What you can see, they are everywhere. That is when you don't have any leader. And that's one of the reasons why they kidnap us in America, to make sure that everybody is stranded and confused. The only thing they have in common, since the kidnap of America is attack PM. That's the only thing. Apart from attacking PM, tell me one thing that they unanimously come out and achieve. One thing. Is it some of them are against election? They force them to believe in election. Some of them say that no, we are tired of this, let us join Nigerian politics. All of them kept quiet. Some of them kick against it, they sack those ones quietly. You don't know the battle that are having it within themselves. But if you pay attention, you see all those things. Now, like I said, the man they killed, not even one day morning. They only mourn him on social media by sharing the picture and using that to propagate the Ekperima movement, because Ekperima is their own agitation now. Samonekpa is just like their land, the ancestral land that they were trying to regain, try to regain it back. It doesn't matter what Fulani. Can you imagine people that can cook up history and fake document and fake post? They use all those things to attack their own brother. Because PM is their brother. We are all the same. But they ignore Reno Mokri. Reno Mokri has been attacking Igbo. He attacked Igbo language, Igbo history, Igbo politics, Igbo land, Igbo language, Igbo culture. Everything Reno Mokri is doing all those things. You have warriors, media warriors, that have their own agenda to achieve, their own agenda is to achieve, to make sure that Samonekpa is not, just relegate him to nothing, to ground zero. That's all they want. I saw some of them are claiming they're signing petition to raise Madam McCann. I don't know who they're signing petition to. Britain to support Madam McCann release, as if they're not part of people that kidnap him. Nah, anyway, let me allow this guy to repeat what he said. What has he said?
It is me, Methuselah, I want to make it. I just have this message specifically for this Twitter, which is known as X. I'm here for the dwarf followers, the criminal in Finland. So I want each post I make, at least, I must have not less than 50 reactions. Negative one, at least. You don't know how we were prepared. We know that the gullible people are in their numbers. And you should stop thinking that if you comment, that it will get me, I will be annoyed. I'm not like that. Ask those who know me from Facebook down to TikTok. I smile every time. I smile over issues, especially when things are so stupid. So, don't bother. I'm here to stay. They say I should come here to fertilize this place.
Did you hear that? They say I should come here to fertilize this place. Hear that again.
So, don't bother. I'm here to stay. They say I should come here to fertilize this place.
So you don't need to ask any other question. He's doing the job they told him to come and do. And you going to comment section is to achieve what they want to achieve, to distract you. So, my people, that is all I have for you this hour. And I thank you so much for joining me. And for some of you that started with me, God bless you. Some of you that done later, God bless you. Of course, somebody said ignoring people like Reno Mokri and the likes is the only sensible things to do at this time. That's what I'm saying. If you ignore them, he will face his family immediately. But the more you are commenting, he's getting more popular. And you see, no matter what you comment, you put, I don't even if it's some of Afonja. Igbo man is this, Igbo man is a criminal, and this. It is very painful to ignore sometimes, but you have to ignore that. Ignoring it means that you don't even notice they exist. Focus on what you want to. And Biafran Information Minister Sana Prawe re-echoed the same thing on one of his broadcasts that I listened to on Twitter. He said that if you want to react to them, come to your own platform and react to them. Don't just go there and click and like and share. Let me save this. Don't do that. If you know, you know. I know that most of us are not aware of how this thing work. Since PM is not on Facebook, they don't, because they have more engagement on Twitter than on Facebook. Ask yourself, why are they now more on Twitter than Facebook they normally use? Because Real Biafrans are not on Twitter. They will talk and post for themselves there. Nobody is paying attention. Only people that the random people will just comment, but not like Twitter. So he said they said I should come and fertilize this place. Fertilize means not to do something good, but come here and cause nuisance. That's what it means. Come here and create more nuisance. That's what he's doing. So let us be wise, and God bless you all for joining me. If you have not liked the video, you are not doing us any good. You are not doing us any good. So like the video and subscribe if you're new. See you again. God bless you. Take care of yourself. And Triple M, once I have a new WhatsApp, I will post it so that we can continue from where we stopped. God bless you all and see you again. Bye bye for now. Thank you.